the medley that we're singing from My Fair Lady, he's walking down the street to Moon Over the Girl. So it's his choice. He's just not going to do anything, just walk down there and just sing. The second one is A Little Bit of Luck. And this is a choice since he's trying to get some benefits, but without the responsibility, right? Just a little bit of luck, and I'll not get hooked, right? But the third one is I've grown accustomed to her face. And so this one is when the man realizes that there is a connection. He's never had this connection before. It's like, oh, so now that I know that there's a connection, what am I going to do? And the fourth one is the girl. She says, I could have danced all night. Because this is from England, right? So it's not dancing, it's dancing. And so she could have danced all night. She realizes that there is something going on. She doesn't know what it is, but she loves it. And so I will introduce the other two pieces as well. We'll just go right into them. Good Night, My Summer. And this is about a woman who doesn't have that someone yet, but is wanting that connection. So she's open for that. And the other one was, people will say we're in love. And this is about, they know, they want to sort of deny it, but it's there. And so these are all your connections that you have with love. And now that you have that, know about it, the next step is up to do something about it. So My Fair Lady.
In the